Watch me as I tie a quick release clove hitch to tie down my tarp. In my left hand I have a tarp line with the free end off to the right. I make a loop with my right hand, pinching the loop with my left thumb and forefinger. I form another loop which I place behind the first loop. Next, I will run the free end between the two loops, forming a short loop at the bottom of the screen. For clarity, I will throw the free end of the cord off to the back. I can now place my tent stake through the two loops that you see here. I hold the stake with my left middle finger. I can now pull on the loop that I formed at the bottom of the screen to tighten the hitch on the tent stake. I am now pulling on the line between the tarp and the tent stake, showing that I do have a good strong hitch. This is the free end of the tarp line, and this is the loop to which it attaches. When I need to break camp, I will pull on the free end to undo the hitch. Now one long pull or a few short pulls on the line completely frees it from the stake. Thank you for watching. Happy trails.